Good morning, Afia. Do you want to help me cook breakfast?
Yes, Mommy, I'd love to. What are we making? I am really happy to help you.
We're making a vegetable stew. You can help with the carrots.
Okay.
We are making vegetable omelets. First, can you wash these tomatoes and capsicums?
Okay, Mommy. Should I chop them too?
Yes, but be very careful with the knife. Use the small cutting board.
Don't worry, I'll be careful.
I know you will, sweetie.
Mom, how many eggs do we need?
3. Take 3 eggs from the fridge and crack them into this bowl.
Done! Now, should I whisk them?
Yes, whisk them well.
Like this?
Perfect. Now add a pinch of salt.
Okay, and pepper?
Yes.
The pan is getting hot. Should I pour the eggs now?
Wait, let me add a little oil first. Now, pour it slowly.
It smells delicious. Can I flip the omelet?
Let me help you with that part.
Look, it's golden brown. Breakfast is ready.
Great job, Afia. You are a wonderful little chef.